Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Gemini AI on your smartphone. Whether you are looking to get quick answers, engage in a conversation, or just explore what AI can do, Gemini AI can be your go-to assistant. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Gemini AI app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You just need a Google account to log in. So this is the chat interface. You can see the text box at the bottom of your screen where you can type your messages. Tap on this field. Now you can type your messages. If you want to chat with it, you can do so. Let's write something. I'll just randomly greet the AI. Once you're done writing your messages, tap on this send button. As you can see, Gemini AI responds quickly with a friendly greeting. So Gemini AI can do much more than just chat. You can ask it to set reminders, provide information, and even tell jokes. It can give you the answers of any complex questions, so you can just explore and try it out. So that's it. That's how you can chat with Gemini AI on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.